Welcome to IVTNN's Good Morning World. The WHO team is conducting many investigations regarding the origin and the impact of COVID virus breakdown in Wuhan of China. According to the latest report, they said that the virus must have been in circulation even before December. It was detected at a marketplace when many people are down with the virus infection. The reason behind they point out is that the virus was not showing any symptom on the infected people until it has reached a specific level, the strain. So there is a question that from where this strain has come into outside, whether it is from the animals or it is from the laboratory, we have a question in front of us. Whatever may be the question or answer, we are going to get in the coming days. One thing is very clear, that China is liable to pay to the people at least $1 million per person who died, and $500,000 per person who has been infected mildly or seriously and admitted in the hospital and recovered. And at the same time, China has to pay for the people who have suffered economically and the companies which have suffered financially for the lockdown. So if everyone is trying to extract fund from China, then China will end up paying billions of dollars to the world, because China has caused the problem. It has originated from China, and the world community has the right to ask fund from China. The compensation, the people who have become homeless, the children has become parents, have lost their parents, the people who have lost their livelihood, the people who have lost their future due to the lockdown. The companies which has been shut down permanently and they won't be able to reopen because of the loan has piled up, because of the EMI has not been paid on time. So all these consequences have been created by a virus strain which came out of China, and where it has come from, there is a question mark. Third one assumption of we have, it is here that some employees or the scientist who was already working in the laboratory of virology in Wuhan might have carried it from inside the laboratory to outside the world. So how it will come? Because they might have exposed their dress or their hand inside the laboratory, even when they must be having a changing room. There is a chance that the gloves they have stocked inside, there must be a dustbin, there can be a dress where the droplets of the samples of experiments might have landed, and it might have multiplied when the atmosphere was comfortable. So all these questions, and if that is the case, the employees or the scientists who has been working inside, very attached to this virus experiment, viral development for the war purpose, might have taken it outside the laboratory. Once it comes outside the laboratory, one thing is very serious. The atmosphere for the virus is very conducive, very comfortable, very friendly for the spread of virus. In such a cases, it might have spread into the neighboring area where other people have been exposed to the lab. And as soon as the people come out of the laboratory, their dress, on the dress or their body where the strain has landed, might have multiplied immediately, and it has shared or spread through to the other people where they interacted silently, and it might have waited for some time to multiply, to customize, to acclimatize with the atmospheric temperature and atmosphere outside. Though the virus is developed to multiply faster in the atmosphere when it is used as a weapon in a war, it might not have not reached that level of multiplication when it was in the laboratory. Most probably in the middle of the laboratory, most probably in the middle of the cycle, it must have been there. And again the question is coming, is that where it has been spread, it might have spread to the poor people, because one market was not the market of the richest and filthy people. The poor people who had immunity is much less stronger than the people who has already has got enough protection, or people who have been away from the bottom level community might have affected faster, because their body has a less immunity. They might not have been exposed to such a circumstances, and that might have caused them to succumb to such a disastrous virus which has caused havoc in the world and killed many people, especially in the Western world. More people have died, though Asia had infection, but the recovery was much faster, most probably because the Asian people have been exposed to the high temperature and their immunity system has very adjustable to that, and this virus has spread in the high temperature. In the last February to April, it was high temperature, and the Asians are exposed to the high temperature and temperature related virus. That may be the reason less number of people died in temperate region than the people who have died or infected in the cold region. So finally, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that WHO will come out with a report that from where it has started, how it is spread, and how it came out of China. So these three questions will be answered in the coming days, and all of us will be waiting for that. Whatever may be the reason, China will have to accept the responsibility, and China has to offer a compensation with immediate effect, instead of other nations and the world community demanding from China and started confiscating its assets across the world, because China has got a lot of assets across the world. So that should not happen. China has to apologize to the world immediately, and China has to offer a compensation immediately. That may cool down the situation, and now the American White House own a president who is friendly to China, so he may get a relief for China if China play a good diplomatic card. So, and all of us believe that China will have a wisdom, reason, logic, and timely action oriented plan that would easily solve this crisis and its impact caused on the people, and heal the wounds and wipe out the wrath and the angry the world community has on China, and the world economy will come to normalcy very soon, and the economic activities will become normal shortly. So all of us expect the things are going to be positive than negative, and China has a big role to play to declare compensation and apologize to the world. With this, we are ending this week's IVTNN's Good Morning World. Thank you for watching IVTNN's Good Morning World. Have a nice day.